Hello guys, in this video we will see how to reset password for user in Azure PostgreSQL Server. We have two methods, one by using graphical user interface and another method by running the command alter user command or alter role command. First connect to Azure portal, then go to the server. See, this is the Azure server name. If you want to reset password for Azure admin username, that can be done by clicking on this reset password. But for remaining users, we have to go to pgadmin or PSQL console. If you want to reset, just click on reset, then provide the password and click on the save button. Now, first method by using pgadmin. This is pgadmin tool. Expand Azure PostgreSQL Server. Then expand the login and group roles. See, here I have two users created, and this is server admin. This is admin username, which we created at the time of Azure PostgreSQL deployment. Right click of any user and go to properties. Then go to definition. See, here we have to provide the password. Once you provide the password, we have to click on the save button. It is success. And second method is connect to Azure PostgreSQL Server. Then run this command. Whatever the commands executed in the video description. Just alter user or alter role James with password and new password. It is better practice to give password in single or double quotation. And this is from putr command prompt. You can also reset the password in the pgadmin by using same alter command. Connect to any database, then open query tool. Then alter user, or you can simply give role also. Username James with password James @321. Put the semicolon at the end of the statement. Select this line and click on this execute button. See, alter role. Action performed and query returned successfully in 436 milliseconds. So in this video we have seen how to reset password for a user in Azure PostgreSQL Server by using two methods. One GUI and another one by using alter user or role command. For more Azure or PostgreSQL Server videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.